Drinking, partying, girls, the thrill.
Ba't ka umiiyak?
So I finally upgraded from iPhone 11 to iPhone 13 Pro, and I got this from the Apple Cart PH on Instagram. I actually ordered my MacBook M1 and also iPad Pro months ago sa kanila, and up until now it's working perfectly fine. So I decided to order again from them itong iPhone 13 Pro in gold and 512GB. And you guys, I must say that it's super duper duper worth the upgrade. As in, kagabi, pinaglaruan na namin ni Sean kasi sobrang excited talaga kami sa camera. Bakit yan?
You watch. Hindi nga na,
magda-dilate. Super bilis ko lang nakuha. Like, I ordered the 512GB last night and then kinabukasan dumating na agad. So, yeah, it's super worth the upgrade. From Faye again. Yung texture niya parang mukha siyang concrete, but hindi siya concrete talaga. I'm actually torn where to put it. I'm thinking of putting it sa may sofa area or here. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo. Oh my god! Ow! Did you guys imagine it? Diyan ko lalagay yung mga face mask, keys, face shield na dapat talaga wala naman na ngayon. I know it's been a while since I did a condo makeover update, but don't worry, it is in the works. I'm so excited for you guys to see the next condo makeover update, but for now, let us see kung ano man yung progress ko sa coffee corner natin.
Você viu só que amor, nunca vi coisa assim, e passo nem parou, mas sonho só pra mim. Se voltar vou atrás, vou pedir por falar, vou contar o que amor foi feito em prata. Olha, é como verão, quente o coração. Salta de repente sobre ver a menina que ela vem sempre tem esse mano olhar e vai vir te aquecer. Nunca sempre que amar, hoje sim diz que sim. Já cansei de esperar, nem pare nem dormir só, pensando me dar verso, mas você não vem.
Tita Ashley, my bestie in the world.
Okay, so I finally had my dose of coffee and sobrang saya kasi nasira yung camera ko. Tapos, nag-film kami ni Sean ng questions I've never asked him before. Nawala yung mga files na yun, but I was able to retrieve them miraculously. And I'm so excited to show it to you guys kasi ang gaganda ng mga answers niya. Kasi yung iba dun, hindi ko pa in-expect. So, ayun. But by the way, before we go over that, I just wanna share this Korean skincare products that I've been using recently. And shinare ko na to ilang beses sa Instagram stories ko. And I feel like it's time to share it sa vlog. I wanted to share this Korean skincare line so bad because it's so affordable and masasabi kong sulit siya sa price kasi ang ganda ng results niya sa akin. And it is the Pink by Pure Beauty. Actually, sobrang dami nilang products. Like they have yung Bye Bye Pore range and also yung hydrating range. But the thing is, I'm gonna show to you guys yung mga top 3 products na na-try ko from them. And the first one would be this one, yung Pore Perfection Essence nila. Etong line na to kasi, ang focus talaga nila is to minimize yung pores nyo. So just really moisturize your face since more on hydrating ingredients talaga yung meron sila. And this essence has Jeju Volcanic Ash. Yun yung parang nagpapa-minimize ng pores mo or yung nagre-resurface ng pores mo to create that perfect and smooth base before applying makeup. And that's exactly what I'm doing right now because I have to apply makeup dahil medyo madami-dami yung kailangan natin i-film today. I'm also gonna try this one. It's from Izzy & Co. Kakapadala lang nila nito. Heard I love Izzy & Co. Ang gaganda ng products nila. And yung mga recently nila launch nila. Hello?
Hello po.
Hello po?
Saan po ka na pa?
Thank you po. Okay, so... Okay, I have a delivery downstairs. Let me just continue this. Ay, hindi. I-play ko na yung clips namin ni Sean in 3, 2, 1. Okay, Sean, welcome back to the show.
Ano ba tayo? Parang ano?
Pasok! And by the way, guys, go follow us on our Instagram account. Yes! The Instagram handle will be right here. Pino-pursue niya na po yung Instagram content creator career niya. You are a very private person.
Yes.
How do you handle me being a content creator?
It would be a lie if I tell you guys na we hadn't talked about it, like Ashley and I. We've discussed about it na we're very different people. I am a very private person trying to understand and appreciate what she does. And also trying to actually do what she does by simple things like posting sa IG. Ayun, syempre I try to appreciate what she does. Being such a public person, it's just a matter of understanding their position, their POV on what they do.
What is success for you?
But that's a difficult question. Success for me. Yun, nakita niyo sa bio ko. So, just check my IG. Para sa akin, yung success is when I reach my goal without worrying about what path will I be taking. Success is when I become an astronaut. And yun yung sa akin, when I reach my ultimate goal. And kay Ashley, siguro ano ba sa'yo, when you get your milestone of 500k subscribers? Or
Ako hindi, iba yung definition ko na success.
ano sa'yo?
Grabe, parang ikaw yung interview eh.
Ano ba sa'yo?
Success is when you reach contentment wherever you are.
Yeah.
Kasi you could reach any goal in your life. Pero pag you keep yearning for more, it's not success. Parang, kumbaga, if you're yearning for more, ibig sabihin, medyo na-insecure ka pa na parang you could do better, gano'n. Parang you know when to put an end to your goal. Through contentment mo lang siya.
Yun.
Mararamdaman.
Yun yung mga differences na.
Ever hold your fart nung baguhan pa lang tayo.
Hindi. Parang first date pa lang, mutot na ako sa
Uy, hindi pa naman. O, galing niya, ikakatch niya yung fart niya, tapos mapagalitin niya sa akin. It's torture, you guys. Ay, hindi. What are the things I do that make you disappointed of me?
You?
Yeah. This is like exposing myself.
Ano? When you compare yourself to others and when you...
Wala, naiyak na ako!
Hindi, yun lang yung parang nakakalungkot kasi syempre, you've achieved so much in your life and you have such a very good definition of what success is. It says a lot about your character. Pero you still end up comparing yourself, which is not really bad. You know, lahat naman tayo may insecurities, lahat tayo may face or may stage na bakit siya ganyan, ba't ako hindi ganito. Pero, ayun. When you compare yourself to others and when you're not on time, big deal sa pamilya namin yung being on time. We had fights on being on time because sobrang big principle yun sa family namin. Pag gantong oras. Or earlier pa talaga. I mean, hindi naman siya disappointment na break up na tayo, gano'n. Pero when you're in a 5-year plus relationship and sometimes it still occurs, it disappoints you pero you get over it, you appreciate, you understand your situation. Ang dami kong sinasabi, no?
Hindi, ang ganda.
Ba't ka umiiyak?
Pumunti ka na kanina yung compare yourself kasi hindi ko in-expect yun. Akala ko yung mga on time, gano'n. Biglang comparing yourself. You ever regret dating me early?
No. Dating you? What do you mean dating you early?
Like parang bata pa lang
Did
tayo.
I regret nung early days natin or like nung...
No, like,
bata
did
pa
you
tayo?
ever regret? Kasi kailan ba naging tayo? Like, 17 ba tayo dalawa nun?
So
17.
parang bata pa tayo, ganun?
Oo, ganun.
No.
Did you feel like you missed out on some parts of your adulthood?
Hindi. Kasi kung ano ko ngayon, yun naman talaga ako. Like, even if for some reason hindi naging ganito tayo, parang ganito pa rin ako. So, I don't feel that I missed out on anything kasi, like what? Mga
Yun nga, yung mga drinking, partying,
Hindi naman
yung mga
ganun.
girls, the thrill with the the tropa, going out, ganon.
I had a very bad experience nung grade 9. From then on, parang that was enough for me to realize that that's not for me. And that's not really who I am.
Totoo lang, yan yung mga pinag-pray ko kay God before. Like, even before we met. Like, kung ano yung ideal guy ko na I'll end up with.
Wow.
Sobrang pinag-pray ko yung guy na walang bisyo in life. Ito, ideal age of getting married.
Siyempre, dapat stable ka na individually. I mean, like, for yourself. Kasi kung hindi ka pa stable for yourself, how will you provide for your partner? Lalo na ngayon. I mean, that goes the same for women kasi syempre, gender equality na tayo. So, it's not about the age. 22 mo na reach yung ganung stability, then why not?
Why not? Batchmates kami sa USC Junior High School. Okay, what was your first impression of me?
Tahimik.
Tahimik.
Alam mo, something sweet? So angelic.
Hindi nga!
Mahihain.
Mahihain.
Kasi nung pinakilala ka sa akin ni JM, parang inasar kita agad, alam mo.
Totoo talaga, mahihain talaga ako and shy girl.
Wow!
Shy girl! How many kids do you want to have?
Small chance mangyari, yung twins, tapos isang boy, isang girl, diba? Okay na yun eh. Siguro 2 or 3. Pero mas matanda yung lalaki.
Bakit?
Para bubugbugin niya yung maliligaw.
What did you feel on our first date?
Nakakaba. Kasi, syempre first date yun. So parang nagka-try ka po magpa-impress. Pero hindi siya okay na nagka-try magpa-impress. Kasi matagal na kaming friends. First date yun. Like, first date ko talaga yun.
After school?
Yeah.
First date mo yun?
Oh, like, first official date yun.
Oh my gosh, ngayon ko lang nalaman to. Present Ashley is back. Anyway, today was so productive. Like, I did a lot of things. Medyo hindi ko na na-film yung iba. And a lot of people are asking me where did I get yung ganito kong necklace, yung name necklace ko. It's from an Instagram shop called The Persona Manila. Usually what I wear on an everyday basis since it's super cute and so far, hindi naman siya nag-tarnish. Anyway, it's time for me to remove my makeup. I'm gonna use this one from Pink by Pure Beauty again. And this has got to be my favorite sa collection na to. As in, never stopped using it ever since I got it. There's like this texture kasi that's perfect for exfoliating your skin. But at the same time, it's soft naman na hindi siya nakaka-irritate when you rub it on your face. I also use these peeling pads before I apply makeup if I want to achieve yung parang clean the base kasi it gets rid of yung mga dry patches, yung mga dead skin mo. It smells so good. Actually, kaamoy niya yung lychee. I really love that scent. But anyway, it comes with 70 pads. And when you buy this, trust me, madadaman nyo talaga na hindi tinipid bawat product. Like, when you get a pad, sobrang punong-puno siya ng essence. After a long, productive day like this, I love taking long, hot showers as well. So let me do that now. Got out of the shower and finally, I have the time to watch Hometown Cha-Cha-Cha. And grabe, like, I patiently waited for the series to end para matuloy-tuloy ko siya kasi feeling ko mahuhook talaga ako agad. And sobrang favorite ko talaga si Good Boy, like, from start up. But then, a lot of people actually told me na parang sobrang iba yung character niya dito. So, I'm really curious. Let me know your thoughts about it because a lot of people said na it's the best K-drama as well. So, I'm really excited. I'm gonna use the clay mask from Pink by Pure Beauty. And actually, ilang beses ko na ito nagamit. Siguro mga 4 times na. And ito yung clay mask na walang tugging feeling when you apply it. Parang, alam niyo yung mga clay mask na parang binabanat yung skin mo. Hindi siya ganun because it's very gentle. My favorite K-drama would definitely be Goblin. As in, yun talaga. Like, I could watch it all over again and again and again. Like, memorize ko na yung episodes nila, guys. Ganun ko siya ka-fave. Kasi may mga clay mask na nakaka-intimidate gamitin. As in, sobrang bilis ma-irritate yung skin ko na sobrang obvious yung redness. Kaya I'm so happy that I found this clay mask na super gentle. By the way, if you are also interested in purchasing some products from the Pink by Pure Beauty collection, check out the link below for the links, and it's also available on Watson. So, go check it out. Cute song!
어떻게 얘네는 살짝 안 좋아서 그런 것 같죠?
Listen to my mind,